Hello, friend. Welcome back to Spark and Speak. Today, we are not teaching new words. We are not giving you a grammar rule. Today, we want to tell you something true, something that can change how you learn English forever. Look around you for a second. Some people learn fast. They open their mouth and English just flows out smooth. They sound sure of themselves. And you sit there and feel small. You think, maybe my brain is slow. Maybe English was never meant for me. Stop right there. That thought is a lie. And today we are going to break it apart, piece by piece. Step 1. Talent looks fast, but it lies to you. Here is something nobody told you before. Talent is loud at the start. It shows up early and grabs all the attention. But talent is not the same thing as skill. Some people have a sharp ear. They copy sounds and words with ease. So in the first few weeks, they look far ahead of everyone else. But a fast start is not a finish line. It is only a start. Picture two friends, Sam and Mia, learning English together. Sam picks up new words in days. Mia struggles with the same words for weeks. Everyone calls Sam the talented one. 3 months pass. Sam stops practicing because the gift feels like enough. Mia keeps showing up every single day. 1 year later, Mia speaks with ease. Sam still speaks the same broken sentences from month 1. This story repeats again and again all over the world. Talent opens a door. Effort is what walks through it. Step 2. The real reason people quit English. Let's be honest for a moment. Most people do not quit English because it is too hard. They quit because of one quiet feeling, shame. They say one wrong word in front of someone. Maybe someone laughs. Maybe no one laughs at all. But they imagine it anyway. That one small moment grows into a wall inside their mind, a wall that whispers, "You are not good enough for this language," so they stop speaking. They go back to silent reading and silent listening. They study grammar books alone in their room. But here is the hard truth. English is not a silent subject. It is a spoken skill built only through speaking. You cannot grow a speaking skill by staying quiet. The real reason people quit is not low talent. It is low patience. They want fluency in 3 weeks. When it does not arrive, they close the book and walk away. But fluency was never a 3-week trip. It was always a long, steady walk. Step 3. What fluent speakers never show you now. Let's talk about the people who finally speak smooth English. The ones who joke easily in English. The ones who give speeches without shaking. Here is their secret. They were once terrible. Yes, terrible. They mixed up tenses. They forgot simple words mid-sentence. They built strange sentences that made native speakers smile politely. But they kept their mouth moving anyway. They did not wait to become perfect before they spoke. They spoke first, and the skill grew after. This is the part social media never shows you. Nobody posts the video where they freeze mid-sentence. Nobody shares the recording where they sound nervous and shaky. You only see the finished version. Smooth talking. Easy smiling. Behind that smile is a pile of small failures nobody ever saw. Fluency is not a gift handed out at birth. It is the leftover proof of many small, brave tries. Step 4. The small habit that beats talent. So how do you build real skill, even without natural talent? Here is the habit that actually works. Speak out loud every single day, even if it is only 10 minutes. Not reading silently in your head. Not just watching videos and nodding along. Speaking out loud, with your own mouth and your own breath. Stand in front of a mirror and describe your day in English. Repeat lines from your favorite show until they feel natural. Record your voice on your phone and listen back without judging yourself too hard. It will feel strange at first, and that is completely normal. Growth almost always feels strange before it feels comfortable. This one habit, repeated daily, beats hours of silent studying. English is a muscle, not a memory test. Muscles grow through use, never through simply watching someone else use theirs. 10 honest minutes today beats 2 hours you keep promising for some day. Step 5. Your turn starts now. So here is the real question for you. Are you a fast starter who quietly stopped growing? Or are you a steady learner who is about to catch up and pass everyone? It does not matter where you stand today. What matters is what you do in the next 10 minutes after this video ends. Open your mouth right now and say one full sentence in English, out loud wherever you are sitting. That one sentence is the real beginning. Not tomorrow, not next Monday, now. Talent gave some people a fast start, but quiet, daily effort is what carries people across the finish line. You do not need to be the fastest learner in the room. You only need to be the one who never stops showing up. If this video gave you even a small spark today, do one thing for us. Tap that subscribe button on Spark and Speak. We share videos just like this one to help you build real English skill and real confidence, one honest day at a time. We will see you in the next video. Until then, keep speaking. Keep showing up. This is Spark and Speak, and your spark is just getting started.